I really like the program here. I love how hands-on it is.
There's more there to help your education than you really realize.
Western just have so much to offer.
I knew I wanted something in the medical field, and Western has a ton of options to choose from. There's a lot of things you can do with respiratory therapy.
Working with patients in acute care, you can take it doing management, you can take it doing education, you can take it wherever you want.
You can either go on ambulance, you can go on helicopters, or sometimes you can even go on planes.
The nice thing is if you don't want to stay in the hospital setting, there's other options clinic-wise or more store-wise like I'm going to be doing.
We get put into positions where it could be life or death for patients, and so we got to have those critical thinking skills.
Learning the foundation of what you need to know as a respiratory therapist, and then going off to clinicals and being able to quickly and directly apply all that knowledge to all that stuff is really cool.
Pretty much every class that we have a lab portion to it, which is great because you get that hands-on learning, which is my style of learning.
The actual equipment they have here is the equipment that we would use at the hospital. So to have that familiarity, that strong foundation, it makes everything so much easier.
I feel really happy. I really do like how at the end of the day you're helping people.
Whether it's a thank you, whether it's a remember you, whether you just get word back that a baby you were working with or a patient you were working with did well. If you have the opportunity and you have the interest, get involved with the medical field, I feel. You can't go wrong.